Hello everyone, our Astrofarzadeh here. Today we're going to take a look at some computer hardware and how a computer system works. It's important for us to have a basic understanding of the inner workings of this tool that we use so much in our day-to-day lives. The inside of this computer system might not be as scary as you might think. One fun way I like to look at a computer system is to compare it to something that we use every morning. Like a toaster. It might not look like they have any similarity at first glance, but in fact they do. Usually the way we use a toaster is we'll take a piece of bread, put it inside the toaster, press a button, wait a certain amount of time, the toaster will do something to it, and out pops a fresh piece of toast. A computer's not that dissimilar. You give the computer some input, it does something to it, and returns a modified product. So, for example, if I give the computer 2 plus 2, it returns 4 to me, just like I give the toaster bread and it returns toast to me. Let's take a look at some specifics. Your computer system is divided up into input and output devices. Input devices are things that send information into your computer, and output devices are things where information is coming out from your computer. So, for example, a keyboard sends input into the computer, therefore it's an input device. I'll type my keys and it sends the signal inside the computer, giving it some directions. A mouse is also another example of an input device. We're sending information into the computer system. A monitor is an example of an output device. This is because the computer system is sending information out to the monitor for us to see. A webcam would be an example of an input device. It takes pictures of us and sends it into the computer. Speakers are examples of output devices. The reason is because the signal is coming out, creating sounds from the computer. We have a few other ones down here, like this microphone. The microphone would be an input device. We're sending information into the computer. This tiny little printer would be an example of an output device. That's because the computer is sending information out to it so that we can create some cool prints. The last one I'll talk about is this thing. This is a scanner. And we usually can put a document in here, have it scan in as an image into our computer system. This would be an input device because it sends the image information into the computer.